Hi everyone, I'm Danielle George, President of the Institution of Engineering and Technology, or the IET as we like to call ourselves. As part of our 150th anniversary, we're delighted to have launched the Manufacturing Futures Prize in collaboration with the Fashion District to help solve some of the fashion sector's biggest challenges. That could include finding more sustainable materials, reducing waste, supply chain solutions, or tech to support our retailers and manufacturers. So if you're a tech startup working across fashion, manufacturing, supply chain, agriculture, or science, then find out more today for the potential to pitch to some of the largest global brands in the industry and to win a £15,000 cash prize. Don't forget, entries close on the 29th of March. Thank you.